In this video we will describe the solutions to repair highly corrupt or severely damaged ODB files of Apache OpenOffice program. So if you are having problems with ODB files, then you can use the standalone ODB recovery software by SysInfoTools. It recovers all the deleted, corrupted and encrypted ODB files in an easy way. Let's know the efficient features of this software. It efficiently recovers unreadable and data from corrupt ODB files in OpenOffice suite. Provides previewing option for the content of the recovered file. Facilitate restoring of the file at user-defined location. Recovers content, images, hyperlink, text and other objects from corrupt ODB file in OpenOffice. Software supports all major versions of OpenOffice and Windows 10. Now, let's learn how to run the software. From the top left corner of your screen, click on the Select Files option. Now, a window prompt will appear. Select the ODB file S you wish to recover and click on Open button. Now select the ODB files that you want to recover and click on Open to confirm the selection. In the next window, all the selected files will be shown. Now click on the Repair button displayed to start recovery of the selected file S. Now click on the Browse button to select the desired location where you want to save your files. Select a location from the list provided and click on OK to confirm your selection. Moving on, click on Save to start the saving process. In a few seconds, the software will prompt about the completion of the saving process. Click on OK to confirm. Finally, click on the Exit button to close the application. Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. For any query, you can comment your questions on the comment section below.